3 minutes of monkey dogfight. You know, while I was talking about the monkey shot run, I forgot to say that. Yeah, people say when you people claim that stupid people claim that people who play video games go off murdering people. You know, some people out there play Call of Duty. They don't go around like my cousins Jimmy and Jack have played video games. They don't go around killing people. And their father, Anthony O'Connor, he has played video games himself. He doesn't go around killing people. It's just stupid. Playing video games does not cause people to do mass shootings. It's a stupid excuse. Yeah. You know, I was doing one casual run of monkey shot after I uploaded it. If I do it again, but it didn't upload, so I've done a second score. Got an updated, better score for it. I'll show it later in the run. Prove it. Yeah, get some pumpkins. Pineapples, I meant. They're not pumpkins. Shut down. I know I feel a bit uncomfortable, but I have to do it, you know. I don't care how many. We'll be playing the... Yeah! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time over. Oh yeah. I win.
Game settings.
You know, survival mode's going to be a much shorter run. Why shouldn't we only set the time at least 1 minute time limit? That's a bit unfair. Why? I wish I could just do 1 minute to be more fairer, make it quicker. Oh well, 3 minutes is... At least it's... At least 3. You know, it's 3 to... It'll take about 6 minutes, something minutes, to do 2 rounds of 3 minutes at least. Well, that was a bit of a redeeming quality, to be honest. I am not going to do 10 minutes. It's a waste of time. Why can't we get 30? 20 more than 20? I don't understand. This game is actually nothing to do with dogs. They're not like dogs that woof woof. You know, I remember that shut down. That's Brian Matt. You know that he's not been. No one knows it was Brian Matt was announced until end of 2019. It's a fact, thanks to that YouTuber. Why is there? There's no. Why is it the Smuggle 2 Mosaic background in this background? There's no Smuggle 1. In fact, it's strange that Smuggle 1 Mosaic background never gets a plug using that background. It's true, you know. Why do they use it? There was one background that's not used in main game. It's that Turtle Island. You see that? I've done that earlier. In this front. I've looked where I'm doing. I got 10,000! Wow! My God. Yeah! I'm too bored. I just want to get it out of the way. As soon as possible, out of the way.